Dropbox makes photo sharing easy on Android. You can share pictures with iPhone users, or send them via Facebook, WhatsApp, Line, and Skype, all without switching apps. Let's see how it works. Share single, multiple, or entire pictures in Dropbox. Open Dropbox and go to Photos via the menu. Tap the checkmark to select Photos, then hit Share. Choose anyone with the link can view and send via email, messages, or social media. How to share entire albums or folders. Open Dropbox and go to the folder or album you want to share. Select the folder and click or tap the Share button. Choose to share via link or invite people directly with their email addresses. Set permissions, view, edit if necessary. Confirm by pressing Share. How to use Dropbox to sync photo albums. Open Dropbox on your device and go to the Photos category. Long press one picture to begin selecting pictures. Just check all the images that you want to sync and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and select Add to Album. Now, you can begin to share the Dropbox photo album. Just tap on the Albums option under the Photos folder and choose the album you wish to share. Tap on Share Album at the bottom and then select an application to share them.